Welcome to our new video on how to build your first dashboard. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to dashboard management, this video will walk you through creating a rich, insightful, and functional dashboard tailored to your needs. In this video, we are going to show how we have built a dashboard for application portfolio management use case. Let's dive in. Start by creating your new dashboard. In the title field, type Enterprise Application Portfolio. The dashboard will be the centerpiece of your enterprise insights. Next, let's add a rich text editor widget. This allows you to include detailed descriptions, instructions, or annotations directly on your dashboard. Customize the text to provide context or insights as needed. Make the widget visually appealing by applying colors in the widget settings pop-up. Create a card widget to highlight key metrics and categories, such as total cost of ownership, TCO, of applications, number of applications with different statuses like Eliminate, Sunset, Outlook, and Environment. Cards are perfect for summarizing essential data points at a glance. Get the query from the link in the description. Configure your application lifecycle. Define stages and transitions to map out the entire journey of your applications from plan to end of life. Add a roadmap widget labeled Application Lifecycle Roadmap as a rich text editor. Now, add the Lifecycle Roadmap. This visual tool will help you track the progress and upcoming phases of each application within your portfolio. Incorporate a time chart for application rationalization. The strategic approach helps prioritize applications based on critical values. Add a report widget and choose Application Inventory. This widget will provide you with a comprehensive list of all applications, making it easier to manage and assess your portfolio. Include a landscape chart for domain-based enterprise applications. This chart offers a domain-wise view of your applications, aiding in domain-specific analysis. Add an image widget to showcase the application integration matrix. Visual representations can simplify complex integrations and enhance understanding. Similarly, add another image widget for the connection graph. This will illustrate how different applications interact within your enterprise ecosystem. Integrate a bar chart to visualize the total cost of ownership. This will help you keep track of costs associated with your applications over time. Finally, add a pie chart for enterprise applications. This will give a proportional view of the different types or categories of applications in your portfolio. With all the widgets in place, it's time to save your dashboard. Click Save to preserve your configuration. Now, view your fully customized enterprise application portfolio dashboard. It's packed with all the widgets and data visualization tools you need to manage and analyze your applications effectively. And there you have it. Your personalized dashboard is ready to provide you with actionable insights and streamline your application portfolio management. Thank you for watching, and happy dashboarding. For more tutorials and support, visit our website or contact our help desk. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.